Welcome to our video tutorial on signing up on the BridgeTower Market and completing your Know Your Customer process. By completing KYC, you'll gain access to an exclusive limited edition NFT of Francisco Goya's Caprice No. 6, titled No One Knows Each Other, minted on the Avalanche blockchain. Your new NFT will provide you with the security of a smart contract and give you the portability to display this art on our array digital displays. First, you'll need to sign up and complete the Know Your Customer process on the Securitize platform for security and to ensure compliance with regulations. Let's get started. To sign up on the BridgeTower Market, take the following steps. Click Sign Up, and then click Sign Up with Securitize ID. You will be prompted to provide your personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, nationality, residential address, and contact details. Fill in the required fields accurately. After you successfully completed the information, it will ask you to verify your email to the email you've inputted. Simply log into your email and click Verify My Email. After clicking Verify My Email, this page will show up asking for two-factor verification. We can skip that for now and revisit for later. In your Portfolio tab, click on Verify Your Identity. Select the type of investor, either individual or entity, such as a company. Let's get you verified. Before you start, prepare the identity document and make sure it's valid. Click to confirm. Next, you will need to provide supporting documents to verify your identity. Prepare scanned or digital copies of your government-issued ID, such as passport or driver license, depending on your country, as well as additional documents requested by the platform. Click to Upload button and follow the instructions to submit your documents. In some cases, you will be required to provide additional information or answer specific questions to complete the KYC process. This could include information about your financial background or the source of your funds. Answer the questions truthfully and provide any necessary documentations if requested. Once you completed all the necessary steps, review your information and documents for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections, and then click on Submit or Finish button to submit your KYC application. After submitting your KYC application, the Securitize team will review your information and documents. This process may take some time, so please be patient. You will receive an email notification once your KYC has been approved. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the KYC process on the Securitize platform. Remember, KYC helps ensure a secure and compliant environment for all users. Once approved, please go to BridgeTower Market through your browser, bridgetowermarket.com. To receive and view the NFT, simply log in to the BridgeTower Market using your Securitize ID login and go to your profile dashboard. Please allow 1 to 3 minutes after logging in for your NFT to land in your dashboard. There will also be a notification of the airdrop under the bell icon. We are happy to offer this exclusive opportunity to you and look forward to building a lasting relationship with you as part of the BridgeTower and Artimundi community. Thank you for watching our tutorial.